Good morning. So this is Kristin here to chant the Bei Zhou, great compassion mantra. Today we will do walking meditation. I'm on a bit of a schedule. Always think we're good? Good. Okay, so this is the beautiful lobby. You're on TV. The Sheraton, which is part of the area that we are having this retreat today. So in deep love and gratitude, no matter where we are, no matter what we're doing, we may serve, we may bring compassion and light. Dear beloved Kuan Yin Ling Wei Sheng Shi, the Bei Zhou Buddhas, all the great Buddhas and beings of light. We love you, we honor you. We invite you to be with us, our protection teams, our heavens teams, our Shifus. Say good morning, you're on TV. That's Master Lore. All of our protectors and guides, angels and guardian ones. We love you, we honor you. We appreciate you so greatly. We're so thankful that you might be with us and help us to open our hearts, to offer love, to be love, to be the face of compassion here on Mother Earth. So we ask forgiveness of all souls for any harm and pain we have caused anyone, or that our ancestors have caused. Please forgive us. We will do our utmost to not make those mistakes again, but to serve more, to be light, to bring light. We forgive all souls unconditionally. We have deep gratitude to the great teacher who made this possible for me and all who are in the Kuan Yin lineage. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Whew. So, Bei Zhou. Chen Chou Chen Yan Da Sara Bei Guang Da Yuan Man Wu Ai Da Bei Xin Tolo Ni. Chen Chou Chen Yan Da Sara Bei Guang Da Yuan Man Wu Ai Da Bei Xin Tolo Ni. Chen Chou Chen Yan Da Sara Bei Guang Da Yuan Man Wu Ai Da Bei Xin Tolo Ni. Nan Mo Hala Da Nu Do Ye Ye Mo Li Ye Bo Lo Je Di So Ba Ye Ya. Puti Sa Do Pu Ye Mo Hu Sa Do Po Ye Mo Jao Ni Ja Ya. Ansa Ban La Fa Yi Sura Nu Da Sha. Namashi Jo Li Do Yi Mang Wo Ye Ye. Bo Lo Je Di Shi Fo La Lang To Po Nan Ma Nu La Jin Shi. Shi Li Mo Ban Do Sa Mi Sa Po Wo To Du Shi Fang Wo Shi Yun. Sa Po Sa Do Nama Po Sa Do Nama Po Che. Mo Fa Te Do Da Je. Ta Wan Wo Po Lu Shi Lu Ja Di. Ja Lo Wo Di Shi Li Mo Hu Pu Ti Sa Do Sa Po Sa Po. Mo La Mo La Mo Shi Mo Shi Li To Yun Ji Lu Je Mo. Du Lu Fa She Ye Di. Mo Hu Fa She Ye Di. To Lo Sai Li Ni. Shi Fo La Ye Je La. Mo Fa Mo La Mu Di Li. Shi Shen Nu She Nu. Mo La Sheng Fo La She Li. Fa Shang Fo La She Ye. Hulu Mo La Hulu Shi Li. So La Shi Li. Sulu Putia Putoya. Mi Di Li Ye Nu La Jin Che. Sali Sani Nu Po Ye Mo Nu. Sopo Shi To Ye Sopo Mo Hu Shi To Ye Sopo Shi To Yu Yi So When I Sopo Nu La Jin Che Sopo Mo La Nu La Sopo Shi La Sang Mo Mu Che Ye Sopo Mo Hu Wo Shi To Ye Sopo Je Ji La Wo Shi To Ye Sopo Po To Mo Je Shi To Ye Sopo Nu La Jin Che Ban Che La Ye so po hu mo po li shang ji la ye, so po hu. Nan mo hala da nu do le ye, namo wo li ye, wo lo je di so na ya. So po hu an shi den du man do la ban to ye, so po hu. Jing gang sheng zhuang yin so po hu, sheng wan chen zhuang yin so po hu. Mo jie sheng zhuang yin so po hu, an bo zhe la shi le she so po hu. How. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you, love you, love you. We give our deep gratitude and love to Kuan Yin and the Buddhas, to the great teacher, to all the beings of light that have been present with us, our gifts, our tools, our treasures, our companions. We love and bless each and every one. And we say, please respectfully return to your abodes. Gong song, gong song, gong song. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you, love you, love you. So carry this light in our hearts all day. Do our utmost not to lose it through our thoughts, words, and actions, but to serve, to be the life of compassion. That Mother Earth needs us, and we can do that. So have a great day. Love to you all. Peace to you all. We'll see you tomorrow, one way or another. Bye-bye.